Unless you've been living under a rock, you're aware that AI has been the topic that is on everyone's tongue. You've probably been inundated with emails, blog posts, and videos about AI assistants and how they're being used to save people tons of time. AI assistants like ChatGPT and Jasper AI are revolutionizing how people work and interact with machines and are powerful tools for automating tasks and increasing productivity. If you've been wondering how you can use AI to help you generate income, I've got you all the way covered. In this video, I'll be outlining 8 creative ways that you can use AI to generate $100 per day. From creating websites and monetizing them with ads or subscription services, becoming a virtual assistant, blogging, freelancing, writing and selling ebooks, creating and selling PLR products, creating AI images for sale on Etsy, and launching a content writing agency. So if you're looking for ways to get paid using AI, keep reading. Let's get into it. Create a website and monetize it. Creating a website is one of the most popular ways to generate income, and with AI, it's now easier than ever. You can use AI to automate the process of creating websites, from domain registration to setting up hosting and choosing a template. Once your website is up, you can monetize it through ads or subscription services such as Google AdSense or Patreon. AI can also be used to analyze user data and optimize your website for better performance and higher revenue. You can create any kind of website to make money with AI, from a blog or e-commerce store to a membership site. For example, you could create a blog on topics ranging from health and fitness to technology and provide valuable content to users while monetizing it through ads or subscription services. An e-commerce store set up using AI can allow you to sell any kind of product, from physical goods to digital products like music, videos, or software. A membership site can offer exclusive AI-generated content and access to members for a monthly fee. The amount of money you're able to make will depend on the type of website you create, the amount of traffic you get, and the monetization method you use. However, with some dedication and effort, it's possible to make $100 or more per day. Become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are in high demand nowadays, as businesses look for ways to automate mundane tasks and free up time. As a virtual assistant, you can use AI to help you with things like content creation, market research, or other digital marketing tasks. Sites like ChatGPT and Jasper will make it easy for you to automate many of the tasks that a virtual assistant would normally do manually, allowing you to focus on providing value to your clients and increasing their satisfaction. AI assistants also make it easier to manage multiple clients at once, as you can use AI to automate mundane tasks like scheduling meetings, sending reminders, and following up. To become a virtual assistant, you'll need to have some basic skills like excellent communication, organization, and time management. Once you've got all that sorted, you can start marketing your services and start making money with AI. The amount you can make as a virtual assistant will depend on how much work you're willing to put in and the service you offer. However, it's possible to make $100 or more per day with well-paid VAs making anywhere between $50 to $200 an hour or more. Create a blog and monetize it. Blogging is one of the most popular ways to make money online, with many successful bloggers generating thousands of dollars every month. Guess you can use ChatGPT or Jasper to create blog posts for you, which takes the time out of physically writing the content. Using AI for blogging can help you create topics, research content, and even write entire blog posts in a fraction of the time it would take to do manually. AI also allows you to optimize your content for better SEO and can make suggestions on how to improve it, making it easy for you to cash in. So if you've been toying with the idea of starting a blog, now is the perfect time to do so. You can start small by creating a blog about a topic you're passionate about and then monetize it with ads, affiliate links, or physical products. The amount you can make with a blog will depend on how much effort you put into it, but with some dedication and a bit of AI help, you could be generating hundreds or even thousands of dollars or pounds per month. Become a freelancer. The gig economy has been growing steadily over the past few years, and websites like Fiverr and Upwork are making it easier than ever to become a freelancer. Using an AI assistant as a freelancer can help you with things like content creation, market research, and social media management. You can use the AI tool to create and sell captions for social media, blog posts for practically any industry, website and sales page copy, email sequences, and the list goes on and on. The fact that you can use the AI assistant to help you create this content means you'll save time, which can be used to take on more clients or work on other projects. When looking for freelance jobs, it's important to know what you're good at and be clear about your rates. Don't undervalue yourself and spend some time researching the market to check out what others are charging for similar services. Once you get your first few clients, it will be easier to find more work in the same niche. By using an AI assistant as a freelancer, you'll be able to create content quickly and efficiently, which will give you an edge over other freelancers and help you land more projects. The amount of money you can make depends on the type of services you offer and how much work you're willing to do. However, you could easily make hundreds or even thousands of dollars or pounds per month as a freelancer. Write and sell ebooks. Writing and selling ebooks is another great way to make money online, and with an AI assistant, you can create high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Using AI for writing ebooks allows you to research topics, generate ideas, structure your book, write the actual content, edit it, and even promote it when it's finished. In terms of promoting your ebook, you can use platforms like Amazon or create ads to drive traffic to the sales page. Alternatively, you can also build an email list and promote your book directly through that channel. AI tools like Jasper AI are great for creating content quickly, which can help you produce multiple ebooks in a short space of time, allowing you to make more money in the long run. The amount of money you can make selling ebooks will depend on how much you sell your ebooks for and the marketing effort you put into it. However, some authors have made thousands of dollars or pounds through selling ebooks. Generating $100 per day using AI assistant sites like Jasper and ChatGPT is possible. With the right system knowledge, dedication, and patience, there are so many great opportunities out there to make money online with the help of AI tools. You just need to be willing to invest some time and effort into the setup to begin seeing success, and with time the money will start rolling in. I'm someone who is currently using AI to generate content for my business, and I feel like this tool has benefited me and saved me loads of time while helping me to increase my revenue, and I want the same for you. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be able to quit your job and work from home, generating $100 per day with AI assistant sites like Jasper and ChatGPT.